If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune or anything related to the mobile device or Windows 10 or Mac operating system. Today in this video, I'm going to share you some interesting things about your tenant wide, how you can set the maximum number of devices, per users, so that your users will not able to enroll more devices as per the defined policy. So this is the global Intra or Azure policies, and it will apply to your irrespective of any devices, right? So you can enroll up to maximum like 10 or 50 or 20 devices in your Entra ID. In your Azure ID, whatever you call it. Now I will be calling in this video Entra because Entra is the new name is given by the Microsoft, right? So what you have to do, you have to browse the portal.azure.com or portal.entra.com, right? Whatever you want to prefer. I would prefer portal.azure.com. You can also browse entra.com as well. And as soon as you log in with your credentials, you have to go to home, right? You see the home, and then you can go to you can look for the Entra ID here, right? Or you can just type Microsoft Entra ID here. It will open displayed, and here you have to go to the devices, right? And you need a global admin access for your Entra admin to make changes to this at the tenant side, and this should be normally performed by the global admin of the Entra, right? Your organizations. And under this you have to go to the device setting, and this is very useful. So you see Microsoft Entra join and registration setting, and this is so where you can see this maximum number of devices per users. Yes, I'm talking about this in video. So you can designate the maximum number of devices a user can have in Microsoft Entra. If a user reaches this quota, they will not be able to add additional devices until one or more of the existing devices are removed. And this will apply to your Entra and Intune, right? So if you see, by default recommended by Microsoft is 20. You can set 5, like you want to enroll or register 5 devices. If the 5 entries there in the Entra, the next one, the 6 devices will not be able to enroll. So, and this is not the enrollment of the devices, it's just a registration entry in the Microsoft Entra or Azure. So if you try to access any applications, right, or Microsoft applications through your mobile devices or laptop or Mac or Windows, and your device, you will see the device entry there, right? I will show you how you can check that. So if there is a 5 entries there, the 6th entry will not able to make it, so you won't be able to access it. You can also define unlimited, 20, 50, 100 at custom. So for security reasons, like nobody wants to enroll unlimited devices, right? If you want to enroll or allow access users to enroll unlimited devices, there is an option like redeem. I already made video how you can add your account onto redeem, and then you can enroll as many devices, right? So here, suppose for example, it's recommended by 20, so I would use 20 here. And there are some more settings here. You can see global administrator role is added. You can use the labs as well. Enable Microsoft Entra is a labs. You can select yes, right? Or other setting, right? You see restrict user from recovering the BitLocker from their own devices, right? So they cannot recover. We can restrict the users from recovering the BitLocker key from their own devices if you are accessing. If you just click on save. So I have just made changes to 20. I will show you here. Now you go back to here. So default is 20. If I make it 10, right, or maybe let's give it 5 and save it. right? You see, now go back to here and we'll see the settings. So maximum number of per devices per user is a 5. Now how you can check it? Now you have go to the Microsoft Entra and look for the user, right? And let's open these users and we'll see. So if you go to other devices, you will see 5 entry here. For now I didn't try any devices, so you will see 5 devices. If you try to enroll the sixth devices, it will get failed and you will not able to enroll it. So that setting, and it's just like, it's not an enrollment, it's just a registration. If a entry is there, you won't be able to register it, because to enroll your devices must get the token from the Entra to enroll the devices into Intune, right? Whether it's Windows, Mac, or Android, iOS, whatever, right? So this is the global setting, and it will apply to your whole Entra tenant, right? So if entry is there, make sure you are aware, being as an admin, that your tenant has, or your global admin has the set maximum 5 or 20 or 10 or unlimited, whatever the devices. And then you must check here, if any user is not able to enroll, you can search for the users and go to the devices and check if 5 entries there or 10 entries there based on the policy, and if user is facing any issue for the enrollment. I've already made video on how you can check the enrollment failure, right? I have already made video on how to troubleshoot this issue. You can always go to the monitor here, right? And you can check here the enrollment failure, right? So that you will see, you can select the user here, or you can just display all users, right? You can select one users and you will see if any enrollment failure, you can see all the failure. You can also export it. By reading this one, you will get the informations and picture why it will show the because of the device limit and etc., right? I hope you learn how you can check why your device, or why your user is not able to enroll your device because of the global restrictions set by your Entra admin, global admin. Till then, thank you, have a good day, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. Bye bye, take care.